guys, it's your girl Great Felicity. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that button to support your girl. Today I'm bringing you a very sad story about Dan Engineer. Dan Engineer was electrocuted yesterday. He was a member of Musa Jakadalla SLO Band. He was the technician in SLO Band, and many knew him as Dante's Dan Sounds. You can see the pictures, the way he was electrocuted. It's so sad. You cannot even watch it twice. Dan was a very good, a friendly person. I personally interacted with the Dan, and it's so sad. Dan died yesterday, and it was very bad, very bad. The accident was not good. You can see the strings. Dandora penye hiyo kitu ilifanyika, ndio huyo ameanguka huko juu ya stima, ya miti ya stima. Kwa stima hiyo sote na Kenya lazima tuwe tofauti. For the Ajawa fraternity, we say R.I.P. Dan. Ajawa, fly with the angels, rest easy, rest in power. You will be missed. Annie, today I'm very sad because I was seeing this. I watched everything yesterday. I got the information yesterday. I could not even get myself to post this. But sasa, we have to celebrate the life of Dan. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, your girl V8.